Actually, very good morning to one and all. And for the time being, I would like to connect to you through the social media, and I am just going to explain whatever is happening in front of me, in front of my eyes, and you can watch. I have already connecting from the Haldwani along with the employee of the Tata Motors, and there are management has already come here on this day because it is the day of the environment day today. So we are just celebrating and participate in such a huge program along with the Go Clean and Go Green of the NGO is doing work. If I consider about myself, so I have already visited, participate in this program so many of the times, and there are number of the groups you can watch by their uniform. They have already joined, and some of the as like a forest department, and there are number of the group has already joined along with, and we are just celebrating, we are just participating in a, and these are the auto excel team is going on. These are the management of the auto excel company. They have already come along with us, and these are the Tata Motor of the employee and manager, and some of the ladies has already joined from the different type of the department and NGO. And this is the Manoj Negi who has already shown the finger, and he is a guider of the NGO, and he keep on guiding to everyone, and he knows very well because he is the head of this NGO. Go Clean and Go Green mission of positive. So that's why you can watch after wearing the uniform of the Go Clean and Go Green and plastic, and they have already served the safety as like a gloves, and everyone are just planting the plant in their hole, and some of the are playing a role of as like a watering of the in this type of the plant. And I am just capturing by the moving all over the activity, all over the things. So it is my goodness, and it is the great. And this is the Manoj Negi. He has already head of the NGO Go Clean and Go Green and Go
clean, go green, let's make it happen.
Go green and let's
Go clean, go green, let's make it happen.
let's make it. Okay, sir. So there are number of the as like a group has already joined in this in this particular place, and I have already visited number of the time in this. So everyone are already playing a role of as like a participate to plant, and because everyone has a intention कि how can we provide the plant of this our land. So everyone are just doing their work according their suggestion, and I am just capturing so you can watch. This is the Tata Motors team. They already sit in a group, and everyone are just ready to click the photo. And this is the Mr. Gaurav who is a leader of guidance of the Tata Motors team. So everyone are just enjoying, and these are the management. This is the Mr. Gaurav who is lead of the Tata Motors team today, and we are just following of his rule regulation, and I'm just capturing, and you can vote. This is the, because at the moment no one is small and huge, and everyone are just capturing and picking the garbage, and they have no understand of the it's not my work, but everyone has already understand it's our work. Go clean and go green of this area. Everyone has a motto, everyone has a thinking. So yeah, so you can vote. So everyone are just enjoying, and this is the team of the Tata Motor with a banner. They are just making a clicking a video and making a photo. So thank you, keep on watching.